How many of you want to bet that I can get this done before my light goes out? Hello, my babies. I am going to show you the fastest and easiest way to look glam in literally like a minute. We are going to be using one of our IISÉ ponytails called Chocholate Honey. It's 100% raw human hair. All of our textures blend much better with black hair. Inside, very soft mesh so that it doesn't hurt your scalp, and very easy to apply, which I'll show you in a second. My light is literally dying, so grab the clip at the top, and you'll know it's the top because the bottom is the one that has the drawstring. You clip it into your hair just like that, pull the drawstring just like that. You take the drawstring and you twist it around. And of course, the more you twist it, the more you want to kind of like pull on it a little bit, just so it keeps the hold. When you've gotten to the top, I always take a nice 1-inch section from the back, okay? You can comb it out, you don't have to, it's up to you, but you want just enough so that you can cover the fact that your ponytail is an attachment. Have it flat like that and twist it around. And then you clip it with your bobby pin. I'm rushing because, and yeah. Oh, this is so frustrating. I wish the light was working. The hair is layered. She's gorgeous. She's absolutely stunning. Like, I don't even need to do anything. And the layers just pop so much. Do you see how I wear my ponytail? Very soft, very demure, very conscious of why we got it in the first place. No tangling, no shedding. See how I wear my hair? Very conscious, very soft, very demure, very polite. Chocolate and honey for the win.